You have a big decision to make. What is the best platform to use when studying for IT certifications? And if you make the wrong decision, you might just be throwing money away. Certifications and e-learning platforms are not cheap, so you want to make sure you pick the one that best fits your learning style. Well, I've gone out and tried all the major learning platforms in both the free and paid space, and I'm going to break down what I think some of the top picks in this video. So stay tuned because we're going to talk about that and more after this. So really quick, no one has paid me for anything I'm about to say, and this is purely my opinion as an IT professional. I stated in the intro, I tried many of the different free and paid learning platforms in the tech sector, and I'm going to outline what I think are some of the best ones out there. Now, many people think you have to pay a lot of money when studying for IT certification, but in fact, there are many free options out there. First off, here on YouTube, there is tons of great resources. If you're studying for certifications such as the CompTIA A+, Net+, or Security Plus, Professor Messer is an amazing free resource. Not only does he have the complete courses for the 3 certifications here on YouTube, he also hosts monthly study groups. Another channel I'd recommend checking out is Network Chuck. He is actually currently developing a Cisco CCNA and a Python course on his channel. Another great channel is Chris Titus Tech that provides a lot of great videos in regards to system administration from Windows to Linux. Definitely go check him out. If you're interested in cybersecurity, there is tons of great channels here on YouTube, such as StudioSec, John Hammond, Hackersploit, and many more. And by the way, everything I talk about is going to be linked down in the description below. Of course, this wouldn't be a proper video if I didn't mention Kev Tech IT Support, who is all about helping people break into the IT field and land the entry-level job, much like me. Moving off of YouTube, many of the big online e-learning platforms offer free trials of their service so you can get a feeling for how they work. I highly recommend taking advantage of this to help you pick out the right one for you. But one of the most common low-cost options out there is Udemy. With thousands of courses out there and hundreds of instructors all around the world, and the average cost coming in under $10, Udemy is definitely one of the most popular decisions. Now, some of the downsides about Udemy is you have to buy each individual course, and sometimes the courses aren't the most up-to-date I have found. I've linked to some of the more popular and well-made Udemy courses down in the description below. Definitely go check them out. Now, I know you guys are asking, Dakota, what is your go-to training provider? And my answer has really changed throughout the years. But to be 100% honest, what works for me might not work for you. The way I learn might not be the same as yours. And like I said earlier, many of the big online e-learning platforms offer free trials of their services so you can go and get a feeling for how they work. Go out and sign up and see how you like their style of teaching and check out all the extras they have to offer. Now, with that said, the platform I currently use and recommends hands down is INE, especially since they just came out with their fundamental level subscription. INE's fundamental subscription is cheaper than most of the other big name training providers out there. And if you get the annual plan, it gives you access to INE's introductory learning pass, including Pentester Student, CCNA, and Cloud Foundation. You also get access to INE's GitHub and Azure projects for introductory courses, 250 plus hands-on labs associated with Introductory Learning Pass, and on top of it all, you get a free EJPT and ICCA exam voucher. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure and use the link down in the description. It is an affiliated link, so you'll be helping out the channel at no extra cost to you. The thing is, once you've picked out the e-learning platform that's right for you, you still need to decide what skills or certifications you need to study for. So I put together a video talking about the top IT certifications you need to be studying for right now to be making big money. So make sure and watch that video next. Thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, keep learning.